Hi guys, welcome to Hoster. Today I'm going to show you a very simple tools that is backup. In cPanel there is a very easy and simple tools to backup your website from cPanel. There is two more tools. One is backup and another one is backup wizard. I prefer always backup wizard. If you go there, you'll find two options. One is backup, another one is restore. Backup is for backup and restore is for restore any backup you take earlier. I'm going to show you the backup today. So click on backup. You'll find some other tools here. One of them is full backup. Full backup means it will include email backup, your files backup and your DB backup, as well as any plugin that you use in your website or web server. It will also take backup. And in right part there is three options. It is separated in three parts. Number one is home directory, another one is MySQL databases, and email forwarders and filters. That means you can take three individual parts in separate file. Full backup is very simple. Just click on it. Inside this, see there is a existing backup history, backup 1.6.2019. I took it on Sunday, January 6, 11:44.05/2019. It is my last backup I take. Now I'm going to show you how to take full backup. There is a form that is called generate a full backup, and under this you got four options in a drop down. There is home directory, remote FTP server, remote FTP server passive mode transfer, and secure copy SCP. It is actually backup destination. It is mentioned here already. I am explaining these four things. Home directory means your root directory of this cPanel under this domain, which cPanel you are going to take backup. Remote FTP server, if you have FTP access in this server or any other server, you can make backup from here. That credential will store your backup using FTP connection. Remote FTP server, if it is your server is far away or a different destination, then you have to use this option. Secure copy, this destination is encrypted one. If you want to keep your backup as an encrypted file, then you have to use secure copy. So let's see how to take backup in home directory. Just click on home directory, and second form, this input field is for notification. After completing your backup, this cPanel will send you an email if you want to get notified that your backup is ready. So you can put here your email address where you want to get notified, or you just click on the second radio button, that is do not send email notification of backup complete. Just click generate backup. It will take some time. It comes in different screen. Let's go back. Thing is that you see last one was on Sunday, January 6, and today is April 18, Saturday. This backup is in progress. When it's done, then you will find this kind of tick mark here. So I have to wait to get it ready. When it's ready, If you refresh it, you can check it is already ready or not. If it is ready, you can find, as I am assigned the destination as home directory. If you go to file manager and go up from public HTML directory, you will find here this backup. Though these two are my old backup, but when this backup is completed, if you go this wizard again, you can see when this backup is completed, then you will get this file in this section, that is home directory /home/hostdir. For your domain, you have a account name, you will find the location in /home/your account name. These are very simple things. I'm not going to show you the other options of backup, like there is another 3 options separately. I'll show you in next videos. Hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. Goodbye.